Welcome to You Can Do It. I'm your host, Chris, and today we're going to be doing some mold abatement. We're going to be using this product here. It's called Mold Armor. You're going to want to make sure that you have some really good rubber gloves that maybe come up to your elbows, if possible, some thick ones that don't tear. You'll want a face mask or a face shield for that matter. Some extra eyeglasses, safety glasses, and a vapor respirator when spraying this. And you want to have good ventilation under the house, maybe a fan when you're spraying this. If you're in a tight confined spot, I don't really recommend it, but you want to have good ventilation. This stuff works really well. As soon as you spray it on, you begin to see this stuff go to work. We've got some registers underneath this floor here in a customer's house. They're not really sealed to the subfloor, and so there's excess moisture buildup around where the moisture meets the inside of the house, and they sweat really bad, and there's mold around every register. So we're going to show you that this system's only been in for about 2 years, and it's starting to sweat. We're also going to install a moisture barrier under this house and a dehumidifier. So stay tuned, and we'll show you how you can do this.
You are going to use this Mold Armor full strength in a sprayer that states that it is good for bleach.
This is after spraying Mold Armor. You can see it's completely eradicated. This is after just 2 minutes of spraying it and making contact. There's a little bit right down there at the bottom. We missed that with the sprayer. We'll get that. But as you can see, you can't see the mold anymore. Stuff works amazing. And as you can see, the Mold Armor, it does a really good job. This area right in here, it had mold spores on the wood, and this is a day later here, and it's eradicated all of it. So anyhow, so there you go. Thank you for watching.